Hey everyone, it's Alex with alextucker.ca, and this is my first GetResponse tutorial, likely the first of many. We're just going to take a quick look at GetResponse. It's a top email marketing software. It's a really complete email marketing platform, which also includes the ability to create sales funnels, stores, landing pages, and serve digital products. So it offers a lot, and so we're just going to take a quick look at GetResponse pricing, and then I'll kind of walk you through how to sign up and what's required. So there is no lifetime free account. It is but you do get a 30-day free trial, and there is no credit card required for that. So you can just sign up for free. All you need is really, I think, your email address and your name, and it might ask for some other contact information, but that's just in case they need to contact you, because email marketing is governed by laws, and if for some reason they needed to contact you, they do need to have that information. So if we just take a short look at GetResponse's pricing here, you can see it starts off very reasonably. Most email marketing platforms are priced around $19 or $20 a month at the first tier, but they start at $15 a month, and that's for 1,000 subscribers, which is a lot more than you'll need at first, and that's actually the minimum. Like I said, a lot of others will start you at 500 or even less. So it's got everything that you need in terms of that, and this includes email marketing, autoresponders, unlimited landing pages, unlimited automation templates, one sales funnel, unlimited lead funnels, which is just like an opt-in funnel, Facebook ads, and you can sell e-products. So it does include product hosting and making stores and essentially full websites. It's not really like you wouldn't really want to use this to build like a blog or like your main website, I don't think, but it does technically have that functionality. And then let's take a quick look at the next tiers. They add things like an automation builder, webinars, contact scoring and tagging, and then more of everything else. And then if you get up to the professional and enterprise levels, it's just they get pretty ridiculous with some of the features. Enterprise, you actually get a dedicated IP address for your web pages. So it's quite robust. It's very good for email marketing, but also for if you want to sell online, if you want to make money online, then GetResponse is going to be a good product. And it's a no obligation 30-day free trial, so there's really no reason not to sign up and give it a spin. And if you do happen to build a bit of an email list while you're using it, you can always export that and use it with a different provider if you need to. Or if you do start making money, you might decide that you want to upgrade to a premium account. And if we just scroll down a bit here, there's a deeper comparison of all the details. I would encourage you to take a look at this. But for the purposes of this is just a tutorial to show you what GetResponse is and how to sign up, basically. So there's a link in the description of this video, which is my affiliate link. It's alextucker.ca/go/GetResponse. And if you click on that and sign up and eventually purchase something, I will get a commission. So I would appreciate it if you use that link. If you don't want to, you can just go to getresponse.com. Either way, you'll come to this same landing page, and you just click on sign up for free, and you'll need to put in your email address and name and a password, and then it will send you an email to confirm your account. And at that point, you'll have to put in a little bit more information, if I'm remembering correctly, and it will set you up with your account, at which point you will get into the back end, which looks like this. This is my dashboard for GetResponse. And this is just supposed to be a really short tutorial. I don't want to do too much, but if you already have a website, if you just want to use this for email marketing, if you're not planning on using their sales funnel and opt-in pages and things like that, if you already have a website and you just need the autoresponder, basically, then you're going to need an API key. So I will show you how to do that. Just click on Menu, come to Integrations and API, and they actually have a ton of native integrations and integrations by Zapier as well. But if you want to set it up with your own website, you'll probably need an API key. So you just come here, you say Generate Key, you name it, you click Generate, and then it'll give you something that you can just easily copy and go and use wherever you need it. So that is GetResponse in a nutshell. That's a short kind of overview of GetResponse, a very brief review of what it does and how you can sort of use it. So if you're interested in getting the most out of this software, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to do some thorough reviews and tutorials for GetResponse to demonstrate how you can use this product to the max and how to integrate it with other services as well. So stick around for that, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.